thank you for all coming here today for Memorial Day. We're so glad that you showed up. This is the first we've ever done this. We don't know any airsoft field or anything, but we thought, considering the time and where we are in our lives today, that this would be a good thing to do. Most of you younger people are not aware of the sacrifice that our soldiers made. So this is our first annual Memorial Day ceremony, May 30th, 2011, at Red Airsoft Field in Colton, California. Today is our nation's most solemn national holiday, a day that we pay our utmost respects to those Americans who died while serving in the United States military. These men and women were duty-bound and sacrificed their all, so that we as citizens may enjoy the freedoms that no other nation on earth does. The origin of Memorial Day dates back to 1865, just after our nation's most bloodiest war, the American Civil War, in which 620,000 soldiers had died fighting either for the Union North, soldiers dressed in blue, or for the Confederate South, soldiers dressed in gray. This was in a time when there were only less than 50 million people populating the United States. 1 out of 80 people died in that war. Originally called Decoration Day, Memorial Day was first enacted by former enslaved African Americans to honor Union soldiers of the American Civil War. It was extended after World War I to honor Americans who have died in all wars. We now also extend this day to honor all fallen peace officers. Memorial Day has provided a means for us of all secular and religious beliefs to join together, to reflect and ponder the evolution of our great nation, and to make sense of our history. In terms of a sacrifice for a better union, one close to God, our national unity and goodwill, our duty to uphold freedom in the world, and our American exceptionalism. The flag was flown at half-mast here when we came here. Usually it flies at half-mast from sun up till 12 noon and is raised to top-mast. We will now lower the flag, and then we will raise it up briskly to the top. And we'll slowly lower it to half-mast. This is for the people in the United States, of all soldiers who have fallen in the line of duty while serving America. For those of you in the military or peace officers, you may salute the flag by hand salute to the brow. You as civilians, will you please put your hand across your heart? We will now do a 3-gun salute. 3 volleys, 3 rounds. The report might be a little loud, so do not be startled. Fire. Peace. We want to thank you for coming. We wish to do this every year. We want to have you think of all those people who live and serve for our country. We wish to resume our games, if you would, please, and you may go about your business. You are dismissed. Thank you, guys.